America, what do you love best?
We love baseball, hot dogs, apple pie, Chevrolet.
Oh.
Baseball, hot dogs, apple pie, Chevrolet.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1:64 scale Matchbox 47.5 Chevy AD pickup. If I had a pickup truck, I'd like to have an old school model from this era. I think they've got much more personality than today's. I'm going to convert this into a Gas Monkey garage themed pickup in all black. Once again, the way I'd like it to be if I owned a real one. According to my wiki research, the AD model, which stands for Advanced Design, is a light and medium duty truck series by Chevy, their first major redesign after World War II. Its GMC counterpart was the GMC New Design. It was billed as a larger, stronger, and sleeker model in comparison to the earlier AK series. First available in June 1947, these trucks were sold with various minor changes over the years until March 1955, when the Task Force series trucks replaced the Advanced Design model. From 47 until 55, Chevy trucks were #1 in sales in the United States, with rebranded versions sold at GMC locations. Radios were first available in Chevy trucks as an in-dash option on the Advanced Design body style starting in 1947. So if you found an original one today, you could listen to oldies all day long. My little Chevy came out of the paint stripper in such nice condition it hardly needed any bare metal detail work at all. After a quick rub down with 4/0 steel wool, I could go right to degreasing and primer. Here are some of the projects that are coming up on Maple Leaf Customs over the next few weeks. Let me say thank you very much to all of my regular viewers who tune in every Saturday, and a special welcome if you're brand new today. I invite you to become a subscriber. It'd be great if everybody watching right now gave this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. As I said earlier, all black is my very favorite way to do up a car. That's what's out in my driveway, and that's how I'm treating the Chevy pickup. So I load up some Vallejo acrylic premium black. I'm using a Gaahleri GHAD 39 airbrush with a 0.35mm needle. The air pressure is just under 30 psi. This is all going to give me a beautiful high gloss finish. Here it is after the top coat application. Today's community shoutout goes to the YouTube channel Air Cooled Diecast. Follow the link I've left in the description and see what this fellow hobbyist is all about. Richard Rawlings is an American entrepreneur and media personality. As a child, he went to auto shows with his dad and they customized cars together. He bought his first one at the age of 14. In 2002, Rawlings launched Gas Monkey Garage in Dallas. His shop customizes classic and hot rod cars for customers all around the world. From 2012 to 2020, the business was the focus of the Discovery Channel series Fast and Loud. In May 2007, Richard Rawlings and co-pilot Dennis Collins allegedly broke the 1979 Cannonball run time from New York City to Los Angeles in 32 hours and 51 minutes in a black Ferrari 550 modified with extra fuel cells. A lot of debate swirls around the legitimacy of their record, as the distance and times don't really match up, but it makes for a good conversation. I recall Wilt Chamberlain, of all people, made the same claim to setting the Cannonball Run record back in his day. Urban legends and their proprietors. The all-black chassis gets a little bit of detail too, just to offset the monochromatic color. I do that with a silver metallic pen. Well, that was a kind of a quickie build. There aren't too many extra add-ons involved, so I can now reassemble all the pieces that have been clear-coated twice and cured. No work was done to the interior. It remains all black, suiting the theme. There's my undercarriage with a channel logo on it. And a brand new set of Samed wheels. These are called Thunder Chrome. They're both 12mm, which maintains the same stance as the original casting. The interior holds the axles in place. They're just pressure mounted, so no super glue is required. You can see I got good motion there. The clear smoky glass goes back in place and the body sets down on top with a couple of clicks and 2 replacement screws to hold it all together. I like it when these little projects give me no problems at all. Let's have a closer look. I think all black suits the Chevy pickup. You can see I added a wood-railed bed and a Chevy badge right on the front. Tires are a little bit wider than the originals. Real rubber, and it's a super roller. Didn't really care for the color back in the beginning with an all-black grille, so I transformed the whole thing into the midnight black mode. The stance is the same as the original because I'm not a big fan of the super slammed look. This is the kind of pickup I'd like to have. This one's not affiliated with the Gas Monkey show at all, just their logo on the doors, which I think look cool. Thanks for visiting today. Leave your respectful comments below and be sure to come back soon and often. It's coffee time.